exercise and dietary, thank you for taking a last-minute request and making it work. We appreciate you.
This is Asnel Valson with a shout out for the whole external affair team, from the VP all the way down to the new members who joined our team. We bended together, we worked together, we became essential together, we helped one another, cried with each other. And so I am grateful, and I want to say thank you to each and every one of you.
Hi, my name is Dawn McCarthy, and I work for case management at St. John's Episcopal Hospital. Currently, we're doing a what would you like to share about your experience during COVID-19. This is really a thank you and an acknowledgement to one of the workers here. His name's Gary. He's the morgue attendant. And to see what he went through during this epidemic and how strong he maintained himself during this was just an amazing feat. To see people in the community that you know, you live in the community, and to remain strong and diligent throughout this.
Thanks to the staff of Behavioral Health for your hard work, especially during the height of COVID. Without your efforts, I wouldn't be able to function and operate in an effective capacity. You all have given so abundantly of yourselves, and again, I want to say thank you and keep up the good work.
Hi, it's Susan.
Tricia.
I want to say a special thank you to all the staff at the CMHC who've worked extremely hard during this very difficult time. You've shown your true dedication and commitment to this community, to your patients, and to the clinic, and I want to extend a very special thank you.
Thank you very, very, very much from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Priscilla Yates, registered nurse on the 10th floor. I would really like to thank 3 nurses from the day shift, Fatima, Tiffany, and Shanique. They are my heroes. They jumped in when we had like 2 nurses working. They volunteered their time to work extra for us, so I really thank them. Thank you.
I just want to take a minute to thank all the members of the Behavioral Health Team, whether you work inpatient or outpatient, for the outstanding work you did during the COVID pandemic. We work with a very vulnerable population, and every day you guys showed up to work and you took care of our patients, and you made them feel safe, and you made them feel more connected during a time when people were feeling very isolated. I'm very proud of all the work that you did, and I really look forward to watching all the outstanding work that you do in the years to come. Thank you very much on behalf of myself, the department, and on behalf of all of our patients and their family members.
Hi, my name is Dolores. In the pandemic time, it was a little bit nervous because we worried about if we're going to live to see another day. In that crisis, when we see people dropping like crazy, we as co-workers, we work together and we help one another, we encourage one another. So therefore, it was very strong and encouragement, and we worked together as one when we was okay. Thank God we live to see, and the COVID is almost done now. Thank God, we've been through it. We see a lot of our co-workers got sick and went home, but they are back, and we are all back together. Thank God for that.
I would like to give a special thanks to the St. John's Behavioral Health Team, as well as my team at the 495 Clinic. You guys have done an amazing job during the COVID-19 pandemic and continue to serve the patients and the community proud. So thank you so much, and keep up the good work. You guys are definitely appreciated. Bye.
Amazing. And I want to say thank you. Hugs of support. And I was always here just for an ear or shoulder, and what you encountered and what you endured. Just wow. And I don't know that a lot of people are aware. So I hope that everybody sees this. And as we all have stories that we can tell, this is just one of many. Thank you. Be kind. Hold strong.
Dear doctors and dear residents, let me share with you my feelings of appreciation and respect and gratitude as a result of having witnessed your conduct during this COVID crisis. You performed courageously, even when you were in fear of your own life and the life of your loved ones. The memory of your dedication and courage will remain with me forever. Thank you.
My name is James Morayo. I've been a staff nurse here on Tower 10 for many, many years. Actually, I'm one of the more senior nurses here on Tower 10. And I would like to give special consideration to my colleagues, starting off with nurses from the day shift, Shanique Herbert, Tiffany Gordon, and Fatumata Cabo. Those nurses, they were day in, day out during the COVID pandemic period when we were hit severely, and our shift, the 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. was very short, and these nurses, they definitely deserve some consideration and need to be recognized. Also, on my shift, I'd like to give special consideration to one of the most senior nurses here, and that's Priscilla Yates. Together with the rest of us, we have been working conscientiously day in, day out during the pandemic period, and I'd just like to give a special recognition, shout out to all these nurses mentioned, and those that haven't been mentioned, but special recognition should be given to the 3 nurses on the day shift as mentioned, as well as Priscilla Yates. Thank you.
Hi, Healthcare Heroes. I'm Zuleika from External Affairs, and I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you, for all of our team members, to all of our team members, from the top to the bottom. Just know that you are really appreciated. For all the departments that don't realize what an impact they have on helping this institution to continually run the best way that it can, we thank you. Thank you to engineering, thank you to those in pharmacy, thank you to those in admitting, thank you to our guest relations, from the people that we greet from the first moment that we see all the way to the end through patient care, to all the people off-site, and we want to say thank you. I don't think that you realize how greatly you are appreciated and how much we value you. So from us to you, from myself to you, thank you so much for all that you have ever done, that you continue to do, and that you keep doing. Thanks.
I'm tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out, and move mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves. I'll rise up, in spite you. The silence isn't quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe. And I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet.